Welcome to Mardel and a Simple Plan Planner for the homeschool family. I want to show you some of the highlights of this year's Parent-Teacher Planner, and for a more detailed look, I will let you know where to go at the end of this video. First, this planner has been created to be used by up to 6 students, so you have just one time-saving resource. This inexpensive 2021-22 dated planner has a plants theme this year with lots of colorful designs, with inspiring scriptures and motivating and encouraging messages throughout too. A Simple Plan Planner is a tried and true academic planner to help you organize, schedule, and plan your homeschool. The team that developed it included homeschool parents and has been perfected over the years to become a best-selling favorite for new and existing homeschoolers. Our high-quality planner has a large, solid coil binder to keep the pages secure and easily fold the planner back on itself. The heavyweight glossy cardstock cover has 2 deep inside pockets where you can store important loose papers, report cards, and your printables. And each unique decorated tabbed divider helps you find exactly where you need to go quickly and easily. This 12-month planner begins with July 2021 and ends with June 2022. So you can start and finish however your school year runs. Also, you can use this planner in 2 ways. Either lay out your lesson plans ahead or record your students' work as it is accomplished. The general information section has sample pages to give you ideas of how to use this planner. The planning section starts with a 2-year overview calendar, a weekly schedule chart for each of your kids. Yearly overview pages are organized into 36 weeks and divided neatly into 4 quarters, so you can break down one subject at a time to create your own scope and sequence. Each monthly section features overview pages that give you a central space to record additional information. Each monthly calendar is on a double-page spread with large blocks to write in appointments and family events, and room to decorate with washi tape and stickers if you choose. Week-by-week pages. Here is where you will plug in your daily assignments for each of your kids. Days of the week are dated and filled in for you across the top. 6 blank subject rows down the side allow you to fill in your school subjects like math, science, English, and social studies. Alternating gray and white lines are spacious, so you don't have to squeeze words. And each line has a small circle to check off as that assignment is completed. At the back of this planner are 2 more great sections. Student Records has your simple attendance keeper, one for each student. Here you can mark off each day that child was in school or absent, so you can keep a running record and total for that school year. Curriculum Tracker is where you can record what you bought and how much you spent on curriculum and supplies for the year. Extras gives you a handy reference grading chart, a suggested reading list by grade levels, some suggested scriptures to memorize this year, and more. Whether you have 1 child or up to 6 kids, a Simple Plan Planner will work for you. You can customize it as you choose and enjoy knowing who is doing what when you are on track or if you need to make adjustments, and you have a permanent record for yourself and to create transcripts from too. We also offer a set of 3 designs of file folders that coordinate with this planner's artwork. If you would like more information and a closer look at this planner, or our student or new undated planners, please visit our Mardel.com blog for posts and check out our #HomeschoolLife videos on our Facebook and YouTube channel. All of our new planners come out in late January, so be sure to order yours on pre-buy now. Thanks for watching and have a great homeschool year!